Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the previous video, we learnt the ultra short acting anesthetics. If you did not watch that video, hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. For the other related topics of general anesthetics and medicinal chemistry, see the description below this video. In today's class, we shall try to understand the dissociative anesthetics such as ketamine hydrochloride. Dissociatives are a class of hallucinogen which distort perception of sight and sound and produce feelings of detachment, that is dissociation from the environment and or self. Although many kinds of drugs are capable of such action, dissociatives are unique in that they do so in such a way that they produce hallucinogenic effects which may include sensory deprivation, dissociation, hallucinations, and dream-like states or trances. Some which are non-selective in action and affect the dopamine and or opioid systems may be capable of inducing euphoria. Many dissociatives have general depressant effects and can produce sedation, respiratory depression, analgesia, anesthesia, and ataxia, as well as cognitive and memory impairment and amnesia. Ketamine was discovered in 1956 and approved for use in the US in 1970. It is a cyclohexanone derivative whose pharmacological actions are quite different from those of other general anesthetics. The state of unconsciousness it provides is trance-like, that means eyes may remain open until deep anesthesia is obtained, and cataleptic. It has frequently been characterized as dissociative, that means the patient may appear awake and reactive but does not respond to sensory stimuli. The term dissociative anesthesia is used to describe these qualities of profound analgesia, amnesia, and superficial level of sleep. In chemical structure, ketamine is an aryl cyclohexylamine derivative. It is a chiral compound. The more active enantiomer S-ketamine is also available for medical use under the brand name Ketanest S, while the less active enantiomer R-ketamine has never been marketed as an enantiopure drug for clinical use. It is a rapid activity agent that can be used for induction, used as a sole drug for general anesthesia, or combined with other agents. It is a medication primarily used for starting and maintaining anesthesia. It induces dissociative anesthesia, a trance-like state providing pain relief, sensation, and amnesia. Ketamine was first synthesized in 1962 by Calvin L. Stevens. 2-chlorobenzonitrile is reacted with the Grignard reagent cyclopentyl magnesium bromide to give 2-chlorophenyl cyclopentyl methanone. This is then brominated using bromine to form the corresponding bromoketone, which is then reacted with methylamine in an aqueous solution to form the methyl imino derivative known as 1,2-chloro-N-methyl benzimidoyl cyclopentanol with hydrolysis of the tertiary bromine atom. This final intermediate is then heated in decalin or another suitable high boiling solvent, upon which a ring expansion rearrangement occurs, forming the ketamine. It is formulated as an acidic solution pH 3.5 to 5.5 available with or without 0.1 mg per ml benzethonium chloride preservative. Unlike the proposed mechanism of action of most anesthetics, it does not act as the GABA A receptor. It acts as a non-competitive antagonist at the glutamate NMDA receptor, a non-specific ion channel receptor. Ketamine is believed to bind to the phencyclidine site in a stereoselective manner and block the ion flow in the channel. By blocking the flow of calcium ions into the channel into the cell, ketamine prevents the calcium concentration from building and triggering excitatory synaptic transmissions in the brain and spinal cord. Ketamine is primarily used for starting and maintaining anesthesia. It is a drug of choice for short-term procedures when muscle relaxation is not required. The effect of ketamine on the respiratory and circulatory systems is different from that of other anesthetics. It induces dissociative anesthesia, a trance-like state providing pain relief, sedation, and amnesia. The distinguishing features of ketamine anesthesia are preserved breathing and airway reflexes, stimulated heart function with increased blood pressure and moderate bronchodilation. At lower, that is sub-anesthetic doses, ketamine is a promising agent for pain and treatment-resistant depression. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the dissociative anesthetic ketamine hydrochloride. In the next lesson, I will come up with a new topic. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.